Dak Prescott told reporters that Dez's potential absence this weekend, quote, wouldn't really affect this offense. Pretty confident words from the rookie, who's adjusting well to the fame that comes with being the Cowboys QB. He's made Jerry Jones forget all about Tony Romo. He's been dating a Playboy model. And he's even having fun pranking fast food employees. Dak tweeted at Whitlock earlier today. Whitlock, you're a celebrity, kind of. A ladies' man, not really. A football player, Ball State. So do you have any advice for the new face of the Cowboys?
Yeah, I do, and it gets to my Whitlock words of wisdom. My grandmother told me this years ago, early in my, career as a ladies' man. She told me, a good woman ain't cheap, and a cheap woman ain't good. That's no remark about Dak's current girlfriend, but it's some advice I gave Tiger Woods early in his career. He ignored it, and you see how things turned out for Tiger Woods.
That's deep.
There are 3 rooms a young quarterback can hang out in. The weight room. Tebow spent too much time there. The champagne room. Manziel spent too much time there.
Ooh.
Or the film room. That's where you stay. My advice to all young quarterbacks.
That's good.
Get in the film room. Stay out of the champagne in the weight room.
That's worth the bell ring.
Yeah, that is really
Collins'
strong.
words of wisdom.
4 words for him. Stay off social media. Done.